Hello guys, this is the Rohit and this is my day 3 of English speaking practice as beginner. So let's start, from today itself. So I wake up around 7 a.m. today, and then I go to the toilet and take a shower and such kind of, you know, and I take a breakfast around at 10 a.m. and after that I, play I played, Free Fire for, you know, 1 or 2 times because, for, time pass. And then I was watching videos on YouTube, you know, a few, I guess, a few in those video, a few was podcast and few was self help video. So I was watching, and then, I don't know how time goes because if you ask me how's your day, so I can't even explain for, you know I can't explain what I did today for, exact at this time I did this, at this time I was doing this. So I don't know. And now, and it's about 6 p.m. now, and I am making this video now. I'm practice English, slow English. As we can say, this is the wall you can see. This is the wall you can see there. This is a building of a inter college. This is a building of inter college. This is not a wall. This is the building. Okay, and you can see there. This is the road to to the the home. Go and wherever you want to go, you can go through it. And now I am walking on the road. This road goes to my goes through my village. This is this road is connected with the national highway, and national highway is around 1 kilometer from here. And this is the and this side you can see there, this is the field, and this is the crop also. And this side also a field. This is not a field, this is a garden. You can see the plants over there. These are many plants are planted in the ground. There is a kid you can see there who is riding the cycle, and who is riding the cycle to going their field. And I guess he is going to cut the grass for his pets, I guess. I don't know. You can see on this path, this path is connected to the main road. There you can see there, and this is the path to go to your field. And as you can see, this on this path you can see the grass. And this is not the cutted grass. This is not the cutted this is not the cut grass. This is the, as you can see, this is the plant of drug. As we can say, this is this tree, the leaf of this tree used for the leaf of this tree. as we are as I am plucking the leaf of this tree, these leaf of these plants are used for drug purpose. And there are many plants. You can see the peacock. This is the peacock. Peacock is walking now. Now let's identify the objects. If you are able to identify the object which is surrounded by you, so you are in 40% people who are trying to speak in English. You are in 40% people. If you are able to identify the things and articles in English, you are in the 40% people. And now try to identify. This is the you know I am you know I am sitting on my roof. As you can see there, I am sitting on my roof. Now this is the solar panel. You can see there, solar panel. And these are the pipes. These are the pipes. And you can see over there, this is the umbrella. This is the waste umbrella, because of it's kind of what we can say. It is, this umbrella is, you know what we can say, this is the waste umbrella. As you can see, this is not in use. And as you can see there, this is the dish TV, as we can say. And now this is the boundary of my and these are the buildings, as you can see here and there. And this is the tree, and these are the tree you can see there. And now what and now you can see there, this is the brick, and these are the bricks. From bricks it makes a ball. Through balls it makes a building. And if we lives in a building, we can say it's my home. Okay. And now you can see there, this is the house, not a home, because here no one lives. Let's talk about today. So I watched a video on Instagram today, and in that video there is a female who wore a such kind of clothes. How can I such kind of cloth, which is he is putting he is putting this cloth to how can I say, to cover his privacy. And all over the social media, and whoever watch this video whoever watching this video saying this, ke why are you wearing this? If you put the cloth to cover your if she's a female, and cover his breast, and under the I guess you are understanding. But why you are wore, if you need to cover, then why you wore the dress? I don't know, I don't understand why. What's kind of fashion it's going on? It's a Kalyug. Kalyug is going on. So how many types of fashion sense exist today? I don't know. We we see on social media ki how types of fashion trend are exist. And now it's time around 7 p.m. and you can see on this tree there are many there are many words coming to this tree. And I believe on this tree the words lives, and the words next you can see there are many next on this tree, which is built by the words for itself, and they are coming to the next, and the next of this of words are the house of, as we can say, this is my house. So for words, the next is their house, and you can see the pigeon is now come there, and this, I don't know what we can say to it. It's all in white color, and we can we say in Hindi to it, it's a bagula, but I don't know what we say in English. So this, you know as a beginner, I realized one thing. I try to speak English, I try to speak in English, and I try to identify the things which is surrounded by me, which is, here and there, which is, so, you know I am understanding why I am not able to speak English fluently. Not, I don't have confidence. But why? The reason I am getting through my videos कि why I am not, because I am not identifying the things, articles, and I don't even now able to identify the things in English. So then, if I am not able to identify, then how can I speak in English? This is why I am trying to, speak in English and try to identify, so that I can, I can observe how I am, where I am stuck. So this is this is for today. I will meet you tomorrow. Okay, this is the day 3. If you like my journey, if you support, if you join my journey, subscribe this channel. If you want to motivate me for making videos and making such kind of video